This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to change the page orientation in Google Docs. So I'm right here on Google Docs in an untitled document. I've just got some demo content here that I found online. So we just got some text here just so I can show you. Now, in order to actually change the page orientation, what we will do is we will come up to File at the top left here, click on File. Near the bottom, it is currently the second one from the bottom. We will see Page Setup just above Print. Click on Page Setup. And now, this Page Setup little window opens here. So by default, we have Portrait as the orientation. If you want to change it to Landscape, we can click Landscape there. Then when we click OK, that changes slightly. We can see that has gone wider, and we are now in, you see the page has completely changed. We are now in landscape mode. Obviously the text is still on the screen as before, but you can see everything is a lot wider. If I go back to page setup, if you're already in landscape mode, you want to flick back to portrait, we can hit portrait and click on OK. And just like that, you can see we're now into portrait mode. So portrait and landscape, that was how to change the page orientation on Google Docs. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.